Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have the lightning ticket and a saved island snapshot ready. First, Verify Ticket version matches your game build and back up the island to avoid irreversible changes. Then open the lightning ticket interface and choose the target build zone where you want effects applied. Once done, lock the build zone to prevent accidental edits and enable preview mode so you can see changes without committing. This gets you into the exact state to start applying ticket features safely. Now you apply lightning ticket features step by step. Choose a preset or craft custom parameters. Set intensity, radius, duration, and whether the effect persists across sessions. Make incremental adjustments and use preview mode to observe behavior under various lighting and player counts because performance and visibility vary. If you need multiple strikes, sequence them with staggered timing. Once satisfied with behavior in preview, save the configuration as a named profile so you can reuse or revert quickly without repeating manual tweaks. Finish by committing the lightning ticket to your island and running live tests with a small group or bots to validate performance and player experience. Monitor frame rate and visual fidelity and watch for unintended collisions or spawn issues. If you encounter problems, use your saved snapshot to roll back instantly, then adjust parameters, reduce radius or intensity first, because those often resolve lag or clipping. Finally, document the working profile and export it for future islands.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.